It's simple to check out and download eBooks onto a personal device using EBSCO eBooks. First, you must create an EBSCO account. Click Sign In at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the option to create your account. The easiest way to sign up is by using an existing Google account. Select Sign Up with Google and enter your account info. After logging in, select the book you would like to download. Next, click the full download button located on the left sidebar. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to decide how long you would like to check out your book. You can choose between 1 and 3 days. Choose PDF if you're using a desktop and EPUB if you're currently using a mobile device. Also, please note that you must have Adobe Digital Editions installed on your device prior to downloading the ebook. To view checkouts, click on your folder located at the top right of the page. Here you can see how much time is remaining on your current checkouts. Please contact the library if you have any questions about downloading ebooks using EBSCO eBooks. Good luck with your research!